Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on miscellaneous algebra. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. The following exercises provide some very good examples of typical questions which appear regularly on exam papers and which will appear on your mathematics syllabus. First question, 2m cubed y squared all cubed. So basically you multiply that term together by itself 3 times and that gives you 8 because 2 cubed is 8. M cubed all cubed is m to the power of 9 and y squared all cubed is y to the power of 6. M to the 0 times y to the 0, assuming m and y, assuming m and y are not equal to 0. M to the power of 0 is 1. Y to the power of 0 is 1. We saw that in earlier videos. 1 times 1 is 1. Number 3, this term here divided by that term. Basically, if you look at 18 and you look at 12, 6 will divide into both of those evenly, so we can cancel them out. So 6 into 12 goes twice. 6 into 18 goes 3 times. So that's why you have 3 over 2. M to the 7th over m cubed is m to the power of 4. K to the 9th over k squared is k to the power of 7. And y to the 6th over y to the 4th is y squared. So that's your answer. When you have two fractions and you have this fraction divided by that one, you take the reciprocal of the second fraction and you multiply. And we saw plenty of examples of this in earlier videos. So the reciprocal of m squared over 6 is 6 over m squared. 3 into 6 goes twice. M to the 6th over m squared is m to the 4th. So that's the answer. When we're adding two algebraic fractions together, you look at the two denominators, and if they're different, you just find the lowest common multiple. And we saw lowest common multiple in previous videos. 3 and 4 both divide into 12. So m over 3 is the same as 4m over 12. m over 4 is the same as 3m over 12. Another way of looking at that is 3 into 12 goes 4. 4 times m is 4m. 4 into 12 goes 3. 3 times m is 3m. 4m plus 3m is 7m over 12. Exactly the same here. You have 3 terms here. Those two are added. Then we subtract that term. Find the lowest common multiple. Just go through the procedure. And when you work out those terms there, simplify the numerator, which gives you 37w over 60. Expand and simplify. So these are binomial products. So when you have something like this, we saw earlier that all you do, you take the 3m and you multiply it by those two terms, and we've done that there. You take the 4 and you multiply it by those two terms, and we've done that there. Remove the grouping symbols, add like terms, and there is your answer. When you have two terms here added together inside brackets and you square, we saw a multitude of examples earlier where the way to work this out very quickly is the first term squared plus twice their product plus the second term squared. So that's a squared. Twice their product is 8a. The second squared is 16. a squared plus 8a plus 16. Here are some examples on factorising. Factorise 6m plus 12. We take 6 outside the brackets. We're left with m plus 2. If you multiply this through, you'll end up with that. Factorise this term. We take minus 6m out. We're left with those two terms. If you multiply that through, you'll end up with that. These three terms here, you'll see that the common term is w, w, and w. Take that out, you're left with those terms. Multiply that out, you get that answer. Same here. if you look at 18 and 30, 6 divides into both of those, so you take 6 out. You have m to the 4th and m to the 6th, so you take m to the 4th out. Y to the 7th and y squared, you take y squared out. There is your answer. If you multiply that through, you will get that answer. Here, we're factorising this trinomial, and we saw a multitude of examples earlier. And this is the crisscross method. M times m is m squared. 4 3s are 12. 4m plus 3m is 7m. So there is your answer. M plus 4 times m plus 3. It's only a basic example, but it gives you an idea how to do it. Difference of two squareds. This is actually x squared minus 7 squared, which is x minus 7x plus 7. We saw plenty of those. Difference of two squares again. When you factorise that, that's 8m minus 9y squared times 8m plus 9y squared. And finally, factorising m to the 4th minus 1, that's m squared minus 1 by m squared plus 1. When you factorise m squared minus 1, you get that. So there is your final answer. Answer to the puzzle. What is the meaning of the following? Two wrongs don't make a right. So in mathematics, that stands for is not equal to. Two wrongs don't make a right. I'll bet you like that one.